we got us a Dragy, and we're gonna have some fun with it. I'm gonna be the first car to test it. Here's a Dragy. Woo, 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 woo. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna have a little fun with the car. We got us a Dragy. Yeah, we got us a Dragy, and we're gonna have some fun with it. I'm gonna be the first car to test it. Here's a Dragy. This is basically a GPS recording device that you could, it's pretty good for measuring drag racing, 60 to 130, and it's actually pretty damn accurate. So we're gonna have some fun with it. I'm gonna be the first car to test it. We're gonna run all the cars through it and gonna have some fun. Want to see what this car does? I don't know. We'll be guessing. If I can get it under 9 seconds, I guess for a 60 to 130, I'll be happy with it. I guess that should be pretty decent for what this car is. The kind of power, 600-ish. To what I've seen, a lot of factors. You know, you can see cars doing 9 seconds or under, but probably weigh a whole lot less. So let's see what it does, and I'm excited. I'm excited to see what it does. So I'm shooting for 9 seconds or less, and got to work on my shifting a little bit. I know my boys tell me I shift slow, but a lot of times the factor is it's why my MT82 is still alive compared to a lot of guys that make less power than me and their MT82 is in pieces. So before we go, guys, I want to show you a quick little thing I did to the car. Nothing major. I wasn't gonna make a video on it, but I think it looks pretty damn good. So let's check it out. So there it is, guys. I got us some new tips. These are big ass 4-inchers. Big old tips. Big old 4-inch tips. Yeah, they're big, but they look good. Yes, you will have to cut the hell out of your bumper to make those fit. So, just so you know. But I'm happy with the results. I'm happy with how they look. So, let's get out of here. It's actually a really nice night. It's actually somewhat cool, so it should help me maybe a little bit. I don't know. You know, I am on meth, so it doesn't, I mean, my charge temps are usually pretty low anyways when I'm on it, so I might turn up the boost a tiny bit. We'll see. So let's get out of here. Let's have some fun. Okay guys, so we made it over here to our Mexico location, and wanted to get out here before it gets dark. Still a little bit of, I guess, people coming home, but it doesn't look too bad. So if any of you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2015 Mustang V6 twin turbo, making a little over 600 wheel horsepower, and we're gonna have some fun with it. First time I've done this to the car, and should be pretty cool, pretty fun. And I don't know, let's throw some guesses here and comment. Let me know what you think, and if you guys like the video and you like the channel, subscribe, guys. Let us know what you think. Okay, let's get going. Cooking, boys. Now we're cooking. That was good. That was good. That was real good. That was real good. Oh, I kind of want to try it again, damn it. Why does it make me want to try it again? Now I want to try it again. Let's see. Let's get our butts turned around and try it again. Car's happy. Car's happy, guys. Stock sealed engine. Still runs great. Honestly, I'm just counting down the day, honestly, when it doesn't let go. But until then, there's no reason to even try to mess with a good thing, I guess. You know, how do you say? Why mess with a good thing? All right, we're gonna do one more, and then that'll be it. We'll finish up the video, but I'm really impressed. I was really happy with that number, and I mean, I thought guess the goal was to get it to 9. It came damn close to an 8. So I know, throw racing stuff. I know you guys, all you hardcore drag racers. I know. I just don't enjoy drag racing. I don't enjoy taking my car to the track and being on it, because half the time when I take it to the track, I break it. So that's really the biggest reason. I've come home from the track too many times in a tow truck. Probably a good 3 times in my life. I'm like, yeah, it's not worth the hassle. So that's where we're at with that. So my car's really not set up for the track. It's got a few suspension mods, but it's not really set up for the track at all. And this car, from a dig, I honestly, to make this car a good dig car, I need to put a 2-step on it, because it builds almost no boost on first gear. Boost comes in super high, like at 5,000 RPM, and its averages, like on every other gear, comes in about 3,200 RPM, which that's, to many ways, that's still kind of laggy, but that's the way the kit is. I think the turbos are actually, when I first got the kit, I think the turbos thought they were too big for the kit, but I think the bigger turbos actually help it, where I think the engine has lasted as long as it has, because it's not such a hard hit. Because you run these smaller turbos, yeah, they die a little more up top, but they give you a hell of a hit down low. So I think that's probably one of the reasons why it just comes in a lot smoother, a little more linear. Let's try it again.
30. 60.
That one's actually, it's still good, but the first time was better, because we were coming uphill towards the end. So I'm happy with both of those results, guys. Both of those results. So that's a good day. Good day in the car for me. Let's get back to the house and we'll finish up. So this is where we're at with the first run. 60 to 130, 9 seconds, 0.06. I can definitely get this car in the 8-second 60 to 130. That's pretty damn close. So it took 1,302 feet, 1,302.40 feet, so 1,300 feet to do it. And I guess I had a slope. So the second run I did was 9.27, so it was a little worse, but I think towards the end, you can probably tell in the video, I was going uphill. So that probably had a little bit to do with it. So it took a little longer, 1,359 feet, 1,359.83 feet to do it. So I could definitely get this car in the 8s for 60 to 130. I definitely could do 8s, and I'm happy with that. It's a V6 car, makes decent power. I think I'm happy with those results, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had some fun making it. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna do Dragy on this car. I got something coming special for the GTI. Something I said I wasn't gonna do, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So yeah, you know how it is. Eventually you turn the daily into a race car too. So there it is, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up, and comment, let me know what you think. I've seen like I think 600 horsepower like S197 cars do actually higher numbers than that on some videos on the Dragy. So I'm actually pretty proud of the car. I'm definitely going to try to get the car into the 8s, and I don't know if I'll make a video of it, but hopefully we're going to get one with we're going to get the Hellcat. We're going to get all the cars on the channel to have fun with the Dragy. So why not? We have it, let's have fun with it and get all these type of different results. And we have something huge coming for the Camaro. So alright, guys, so once again, Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys stay safe out there.